I'm going to show you how to add a boom card to Seesaw. So we're just going to go in our library. We're going to click on Action. I'm going to click on Fast Pen. I'm going to generate a pen. I'm going to copy that code. I'm going to go to Seesaw. I'm going to click on the Add button. I'm going to do Assign Activity. I'm going to do Create New Activity. I'm going to go down here where it says Add Template. I'm going to click on that plus sign. I'm going to click on Link. I'm going to paste that link that I just copied. I'm going to press the green checkbox. And I'm going to wait a few seconds. And then I'm going to press the green checkbox again. I'm going to give it a name. So let's just say Math Practice. And then I'm going to click Save. Then I'm going to assign it to my class. Assign. Awesome. I'm going to go back to class just so you can see. And so now when the students click on that deck and they click on the picture, it's going to bring them straight to Boom and they can start playing. I hope that helped.